Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to duplicate objects in a circle form in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my plate image over here, and I also have my flower design over here. So I'll press Ctrl C to copy my flower, go back to my plate image, and press Ctrl Shift V to paste in place. Now, right click on the flowers layer and select rasterize layer. After doing that, let's change its blend mode from normal to multiply. Now press Ctrl T and resize the flower. So something like this is okay. Let me push my flower over here. Press Ctrl T again and then make sure that this side has been checked. If yours hasn't been checked yet, just click on it to check it. It will bring this dot over here, this anchor point over here. Now hold down the shift key, left click on the anchor point and then drag it to the middle. So something like this is okay. After doing that, let's change the rotate value over here. So let's go with 360/13. That's 360 divided by 13. And then hit the enter key 2 times. So 1, 2. Now all you need to do is to hold down Alt, Ctrl, Shift and T to duplicate the flower over around the plate. So Alt, Ctrl, Shift T to duplicate it. Okay guys, so this is how to easily rotate objects in a circle form in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and then haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.